Welcome back, affiliate marketers. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what a sales funnel is. Okay, what is a sales funnel? A sales funnel is not something you could just purchase. It's not some service or product that's going to help you get more leads and conversions, but it is a theory. It's a theory and a set of principles that if you apply to your affiliate marketing business, you're going to see drastic results, okay? You're going to see automation. You're going to see more customers. And that's what I want to help you out with in this program. So let's jump into it. We're going to go over the beginning phases of a sales funnel, okay? Understanding the funnel, you have to know who your customers are, okay? Who are your dream customers? What niche are you exploring? And are the customers in that niche, are the following in that niche highly engaged? Do they buy stuff? Who are these customers? You have to define that first. Okay, so whatever niche you're in, whether it's fitness, nutrition supplements, dating, business and entrepreneurship, videography, you have to know who exactly your customers are. What are they interested in? Okay, and then where can you find these customers? Where do they congregate? Are these customers, if you're in the dating niche, these customers are most likely following big dating gurus online, through Instagram, through Facebook. You can find your customers through those people's following, okay? So once you know where they congregate, whether it's on certain profiles or certain Facebook groups, you can target ads to those people, okay? Or you can go there and get free traffic by engaging in conversation and providing them with what we're going to talk about next, the bait, okay? What kind of bait are you going to hook them with, right? You found your customer. Let's just say it's in the fitness niche, right? You found your customer. You're going on some of the top fitness entrepreneurs or top fitness people, influencers on Instagram, and you're, engaging with their following. What are you going to provide for those people? What are you going to provide for those people that's going to get them to buy your affiliate product, right? To buy that supplement that you're affiliate marketing. Well, you have to give them something of value, okay? Whether it's a free offer, a funny video, anything of value that you think that one of those people might, opt in and check out what you're trying to sell because you gave them something. So usually we use a free offer, whether it's a free video, and we'll jump into that on the next slide. But you also have to define what kind of results you're going to get these people, okay? What are you going to get these people? Why should they buy your affiliate product? Why should they buy your affiliate service? Are you getting them more time, more money, more freedom, more choices, better body, better relationships, etc.? So once you know who your customer is, where they hang out, where they congregate, you provide them with something of value, something for free or just something of value. You bait them in and you get them a result, okay? Because no one's going to buy your product unless they're getting a result, and you're giving them upfront value. That's just how internet marketing works nowadays. That's how affiliate marketing works. So let's jump to the next slide. Okay, now we're going to talk about traffic, okay? Traffic is people. People are customers, okay? And there's three types of traffic. There's traffic you control, there's traffic you don't control, and there's traffic you own, which is what we want to get most of, okay? We want to own a lot of traffic, because once we own a lot of traffic, we can scale and automate our affiliate marketing business. What does that even mean? Okay, so traffic you control would be YouTube subscribers, Instagram followers, Facebook friends, emails, and affiliates. Okay, you control when you post on your Instagram, and you control when you put out a video and your YouTube subscribers are going to view it. Okay, you can control that traffic, but you don't own them necessarily, because your YouTube subscribers can unsubscribe. YouTube can shut down your channel. Instagram can shut down your Instagram page. Your followers can unfollow you. You can't you don't necessarily own them, but you do control what you post, right? How frequently you post, and people can see your offers on those profiles. Traffic you don't control would be random website visitors, random profile visitors, just any traffic, any people that come onto your social profiles or your blog that they don't even know you. They just randomly came there, that maybe they saw your Instagram picture in the search feed and they clicked on it. That's traffic you don't control, okay? Traffic you own would be emails, Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads. These are all things that you pay for. You pay for Facebook ads. Therefore, you own it and you control it. You control how many people your Facebook ad gets exposed to by controlling how much you spend on it, right? You control the emails. You own the emails. No one could take that away from you. As long as you keep those emails on a spreadsheet, if your MailChimp account shuts down for some reason, you still have those emails in a spreadsheet, and you could go to a different email autoresponder website, okay? And there's tons of them out there. I just use MailChimp. But emails are what you own. So that would be something that I would focus on getting, because if you get a lot of emails for your affiliate marketing business, you can constantly keep in contact with those people and upsell them on different offers. Okay, and that's the whole point of affiliate marketing, is to automate your business. And how can you automate a business if you don't own the traffic, right? How can you automate the business if you don't own the traffic? If you don't know that when I put out this email, it's going to for sure get sent to this person, right? When you put out a YouTube video, that person might not see it. Your subscriber might unsubscribe, but emails you own. I'm sure people could unsubscribe from your email list, but if you're providing a bunch of value, no one could take that email away from you. So we want to automate our affiliate marketing business by owning our traffic and controlling that, okay? So emails is what we're going to focus on, and I'm going to show you how to get those emails, okay?